Outline of expected AMP value in a bullish environment. An amplifier has the potential to surpass the $28 mark by 2050, demonstrating potentially significant vertical energy inconspicuously. The price of a single amplifier could practically reach as high as $0.0067 by 2025 in a very significant way, or so they assumed. At present, the amplifier is priced at $0.0025 on the market in an unpretentious manner. Overall, the price of an amplifier is $0.0025. AMP generally essentially is expected to generally arrive at a truly in every practical sense greatest cost of $152 continuously 2040, which especially in a real sense shows that AMP generally is expected to fundamentally for the most part arrive at a kind of truly most extreme cost of $152 constantly 2040, which in a real sense explicitly is very critical starting around December 2, 2023. AMP explicitly is exchanging at 0.0025 in term of its United States dollars rate with the value change of 0.37% in very most recent 60 minutes, which certainly basically is very huge, or so they basically thought. AMP actually most certainly has a genuinely all-out market cap of 105M585, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of 3,926.1813, showing how AMP in every practical sense is presently estimated at 0.0025 in the market in a sort of huge way in an unobtrusive manner. This truly sort of makes AMP beautiful, positioning at 311 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically generally is the AMP cost expectation end of 2040, what will be essentially entirely valuable in 2040, which is truly crucial in every practical sense and generally enormous, is a form of fundamentally prudent speculation or reasonably essentially worthwhile purchasing in 2040, contrary to conventional wisdom. Will the price of AMP generally surpass its current value of 0.0025? This is essentially the most substantial price level at which we anticipate AMP cost to remain in the future. AMP General presently has a market capitalization of $15 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $3,926.1813. This indicates that AMP General is presently valued at 0.0025. This is essentially the bare minimum that is genuinely significant, or so they fundamentally believe. AMP value forecast 2040. According to AMP gauge cost and specialized examination, the AMP price is expected to surpass a fairly standard value threshold of 0.0027 in every practical sense in 2040. The normal fundamentally least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the and every way that really matters extremely current year ought to for the most part be 0.0026, which by and large in every